record. And hello, all. I'm going to take 3 minutes and I just want to go over this right here, your major project. Okay. Now, in class, we did something similar to this. This is our template file, our major project 2 template, right? For your major video game logo, I need you to use this file. The file looks something like, it should look identical to right here. Okay, let me zoom out. This is the file that I want you to use for your video game logo. Okay, the one we did in class is different than this. And really the only difference is some of us, I believe we got a little further than others, but we may not have had some of these lines. I think we got through the majority of it, right? It should have looked very similar. The one that we did for the skate logo should look something similar to that, right? And we filled in this skateboard logo. I actually had that done for you in this one that we did together as a class. Okay, we then got our sketches and we brought them down here, made them a template. And then all we did over here was we went in and we grabbed our rectangle. Yeah, so we went rectangle, rectangle, and then put the skateboard logo in white and on dark, right? This is all I need from you for your in class, the skate logo. Okay, sound good? Beautiful. Now, this though is the template I need you to use for your video game logo, which as mentioned is right here. Okay. So I just quickly emulated what it looked like for the in class. That's totally fine. And what to submit for the in class is actually there, I believe, as an image to say what I need from you in class. And let's just make sure that that is the case because I don't want to steer anyone wrong. What to submit, layers, links, and swatches is here, right? Ah, shit, wrong one, sorry. No, that was last week, right? Week 9, there we go. What to submit is sample completed to upload. There we go. So this is what we have for our skate upload. This is perfect, just like we did in class. Yes? This is the one that I'd like you to use for your video game logo, okay? So if you've already used that template, no worries. What I'd ask you to do is, could you please just open up that Illustrator file? And all you got to do is you're going to select on everything, Command A, even if you want. Dare I say you may want to just lock your template file down. That way you should be grabbing just your art. Command C, and then Command V, right? And just bring over that stuff. You can even, when you bring it over, you can even throw it over to the side, sorry. And that way you can just replace stuff, right? Just grab your text, place it here. You can grab your images, right? They should stay embedded because you did embed them in the file, right? So all I'm doing here quickly to show you all is I'm just now moving content, right? If you want to delete this box for the final submission, you can, okay? Also, you'll notice it even calls out to delete this, would be great. I'm going to go in, I'm going to delete this, don't need it, okay? Go up here, I'm going to change this to be my, right, video game company logo, right? Good, whoops. I'm going to go in, date and creation. You may have missing fonts here. So no worries, all. Just make sure you go in and you can substitute that font with a Helvetica. I believe, what is this font? You guys will be told. Oh, Berthold. Berthold is a beautiful font. If you don't have it, it may now automatically update for you in your Adobe fonts because that's the new update. Woohoo! Go in here, type in your brief. Would be amazing. Yes, it's here for you. It's active type. So I'm going to say, all right, a gaming spell specializing, right? Special and that's pretty specific, but you get the idea, right? Okay, this is too much info, but you get the idea. Tell your story. is in your brief, yeah? Fill in this detail. Client is not skate shop, right? So change that. We're gonna make that, of course. This is not acceptable. You're not doing EB Games. I'm just showing you. Yours is gonna have yours, right? Good. Pretty straightforward, yeah? Good call out. I'm glad I got this down for everyone though. So that's it all. Have fun with it. That is what I'm gonna need from you. Get this filled in. Delete all the stuff that you don't need. You can get rid of that if you want. Just do it on white. That's totally beauty. Bring in all your new color thoughts, all your fonts. Get your sketches brought in. 4 of them. Pick 2 of them that I'd love you to use. You will notice your layers as well. Good that I called this out. I mentioned this to everyone, but just to confirm. Ready? Option click. Now, Option and click is the same as Command A in this case for the most part. And what I want to do here all, you're going to grab this little dot, click, drag, let go, boom, baby. And we're done. Now what you should have is your template info right there. Perfect. Turned on and off. Sorry, this is a mess. Fix your workspace, bro. Reset. There we go. Turn your workspace on and off. Or, right? Template. Good. Remember your image. When you bring your image over, just grab an image here. Command C, Command V. Make sure it's embedded. It should be because it's brought over, right? There we go. Okay. Make sure that your images down here are template file. So notice it'll come in, drag that down into the template. See that? Amazing. Remember, the whole purpose of this template is that I can draw on it. So now you'll notice, right? Click, click. That is a template file. It is not locked. And the reason it's not locked is because I want you to place your image on that file. Just these 2. Don't place this image on the template file. If you do that, what's going to happen is you're going to go and make a PDF, and I'll show it to you right now. And I'll just do this to the desktop really quick, which I need from you, I believe, a PDF or an AI PDF. I can't remember. Check it out. Oh, shit. This is going to happen to some of us. And you're going to wonder, where did my brainstorming go? Right? Why did my images not show up? They're here. They're right here. And that's exactly why. If you look all, print is deactivated. By default, you make a template, it will not print that stuff for you. So you'll notice that my template is empty. None of those images printed. See that? Which is kind of what I want, but only on these 2 images. These ones, your brainstormings, I want that into, remember, Jess, you called out brainstorming. Create a layer, right? And drag that brainstorming image up into that layer. Amazing. So much better. Now we're getting organized. Yeah? Makes sense? And then you'll break that off and you'll create 2 and down here, right? Then you're going to do all your brainstorming like we did in class. These will be on the template layer. You can lock them down at any time, but remember the best part about that is the Command Y. I said Command Y. Whoop. Because now I can go in and draw on this, right? Command Y. You got it. Cool, eh? Good? Have fun. I hope that video found you well. Please watch it, and that will make sense of what we need to do for that. Thank you, everyone.